What's up, everybody? Bucket here, Bucket's World Vegas. One more time coming back to you with a room walkthrough. We actually just checked into the Mirage. This is my first time to actually stay at the Mirage. I've read all the reviews, whatever, but this was actually my grandparents' favorite place when they were here in Vegas. So give it a shot. We got a basic resort tower room. Asked for an upgrade, didn't get it. So let's go take a look at what we got. This is room 19044, resort tower room at the Mirage. Into the hallway. Let's see what we got. So the room is almost exactly what I expected. After looking at everything and reading everything online, this is exactly what I expected. It's got a nice marble foyer, dual vanity. The bathroom is probably the smallest bathroom I've ever seen in a Vegas strip resort. But hey, this place was built in '93, so back then I guess this is kind of how things were. It also has a stand-in tub, not a shower stall. But who cares, right? Got your vanity mirror that I believe lights up. I don't know. Ooh. Hey, one of my favorite features. It's got its own independent bathroom exhaust. It's a good thing. Full body mirror. Chest of drawers. The room's really not that bad. You can tell it's a little dated. Mirage can obviously use a full renovation. But really, a room is just a place to keep your luggage and take a nap, is what I say. Quite the change from Cosmo, where we just left. That appears to be a 32-inch screen. Now you do have the mini bar. You do not have your own fridge, but for some reason, and I don't know why, but that is closed and locked, which is fine because I never really use anything out of there anyway. So as for the view from this room, like I said, we are in hallway. Excuse me. It is, I guess I would call this a pool view with a partial strip view. I have no complaints, really. It'll be comfortable. The bed looks comfortable. It's almost exactly what I expected. One little thing, just to make a side note here. So my grandparents, growing up, their guest bathroom in their house was all marble, and it had a very particular smell to that bathroom. I don't know if it was the soap that they used or what, but I could smell the pictures of this bathroom when I was booking the room, and it did not disappoint. I don't know what it is. I walked in here and I could smell my grandparents' bathroom, or the bathroom of my grandparents' house. Interesting. Anyway, we're gonna get dressed, go down to the pool for a little while, and then hit the casino. Wish us luck.